Hi guys, it's Elena, and today I'm on an Elephant Hotel, also known as, well, it's mostly actually spelled Hotel Elephant, but it's really complicated for me. So it's just a game on RoBlox. So yeah, oh, doors. This is the inside. It's actually quite cool in here. So yeah. I'm really excited to play with you guys actually, because I'm not actually going to give you the tour around here, but if you say in the comments, you could tell me if you want for me to do a tour around it, but we're not going to do it today. So this is the dock, and we are going to go to this area, this building over here, to get myself a bikini. So, yeah, I'm gonna get myself a new clothing. So, I'm just gonna come here. So, the price for the boat is 1,200. And I have 500. So I don't really have enough, but I soon will, because wait 14 seconds before you can get more money. So yeah, and there's also this boat, which causes 3,500, and this one is really cute. It's for two. It's 2,000. And there's this one and that one again. So now click to get 40 cash, and I'm just gonna click it. And now I have 1,300, so I can buy this boat. And I just did. So there it is, the jet ski. Super cool. I'm just gonna get off of this like that, and then I'm just going to like that. Okay, so I'm here, and I'm just gonna get out, because I know how to drive it. Of course I do. So like this, and like, there we go. Like this, and I'm just gonna walk on in here. Here you can get clothing. So yeah, super cool. So here are the options of clothing. I'm not sure which one I'm going to choose though. Maybe a bikini, but I'm not sure which one. The white one, maybe? Let me see it. Oh, this is really nice. I like it, but I don't think I want to buy the bottom one. But I really do like it, but I think I'm going to wear it with hot pants. Let's see, where are they? Or jeans or shorts. Ooh, basketball shorts. Maybe the red ones? Ooh. Oh, they're kind of nice, but I don't know about them. It's pretty nice. Yeah. I'm going down to the dock, so I'm going to say, before I go, I'm going to give a shout out to CupcakeCurly for being such a great YouTuber. Bye, guys!